Namaskar, I am Tanmay De. Welcome to Sanchoita. I hope you are doing good and learning from my videos. In this video, I am going to show you outlines of all states and United Territories in India and their capitals. Also, some additional informations I added here. Now, be ready. First one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital is Port Blair. Andaman, N D M N Hook, and N K B R Nicobar, I Elhavenhook Circles. Port Blair, Pihar Hub, BL Downwater, or you can write ND MN Hook N double Downwater Half N Hook Circles. Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh, CHND Gayar. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, DDR and N Gayar. Haveli, upwardage, Vyuk L. Or you can write DDR N double downwardage Vyuk downward. Capital is Silvassa, circle L V stroke S. Next, Daman and Diu, D M N Hook D U. Capital Daman, D M N Hook. From 16 January 2020, India has 8 union territories. The union territories of Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli have become a single UT since January 26 through a bill passed by the Parliament in the winter session. Please note down this point. Okay. Next UT is Jammu and Kashmir. JM circle K double. Capital city Srinagar, circle upward N double. It is summer capital and winter capital is Jammu, JMU. Okay, next one Ladakh, LDK. Capital city Leh. Okay. On August 5, the central government had announced the abrogation of the special status given to Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 and its division into two UTs, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Please note down this point also. Next one, Lakshadweep. Downward L K circle B. Actually upward L circle B, but it is the outline for Lok Sabha. So you can write downward L K circle B. Okay. Capital city Kavaratti. K Vyuk upward T. Okay. Delhi National Territory, D upward L. Puducherry, P half Ch upward. Capital city Pondicherry, P N hook D upward. Okay. At present, India has 8 UTs and 28 states. Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi and Pondicherry possess their own legislative assembly and executive council and operate like states. The remaining UTs are controlled and regulated by the union of the country. That is why named as a union territory. All the states and 3 union territories, that is Puducherry, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir, possess elected legislature and government. Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi and Puducherry have their elected members and the chief minister, as they are granted with partial statehood by the amendment to the constitution. Please note down this point also. Okay. Now, states and their capitals. Andhra Pradesh, N double PR half circles. Now, capital is Hyderabad, upward is DR B half. Proposed capital is Amravati, M upward are VT. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh, downward are N JL PR half circles. Capital city is Itanagar, T N double. Assam, strokes M. Capital is Dispur, D circle P upward are. Next state Bihar, B upward H double. Capital Patna, PTN. Next one Chhattisgarh, JT SGR K, or you can write J half SGR K. Capital is Raipur, upward are PR. Goa, Gay. Capital is Panaji, PNJ. Next Gujarat, Gay J upward are half. Capital is Gandhinagar, Gay ND N double, or you can write Gay half N hook N double. Haryana, upward is double N. Capital is Chandigarh, CHND Gayar. Okay. Next is Himachal Pradesh, TKHM JL PR half circles, or you can write TKHM double PR half circles. Capital is Simla, is ML. Okay. Next is Jharkhand, JR K half N hook. Capital is Ranchi, upward are NJ. Next Karnataka, KR N half K. Capital is Bengaluru, BN Gale double, formerly known as Bangalore. Next Kerala, K upward are L. Capital city Thiruvananthapuram, ETH R N double PR M. Next Madhya Pradesh, M double PR half circles. Capital is Bhopal, VPL. Next Maharashtra, M upward are is double. Capital is Mumbai, MM. Manipur, MNPR. Imphal, MFL. Meghalaya, MGL, Shillong, SLing, Mizoram, M circle downwarder M. Capital is Aizel, IZL, sorry, JL, IZL. Next, Nagaland, NGLHAVENUK. Capital Kohima, KHM. Odisha, D upwardis. Capital Bhubaneswar, VB circle upwarder. Punjab, PNJB. Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh, JND gear. Rajasthan, upwarder J circle T N hook. Capital Jaipur, JPR. Sikkim, circle KM. Capital Gangtok, Gehavenu K. Next, Tamil Nadu, TM upward L double. Capital Chennai, CHNI. Telangana, TLNGN. Capital Hyderabad, upward H DR B half. Tripura, TR cross the line PR. Agartala, capital is Agartala, DR TL. Next one, Uttar Pradesh, TR half PR half. Capital Lucknow, LKN. Next, Uttarakhand, TR cross the line K half N hook. Winter capital Dehradun, D upwarder D N hook. Summer capital Garrison, G upwarder circle N. West Bengal, W circle B. Capital Kolkata, KLT. Calcutta, KLT on the first position. That's all in this video. I hope you find my work useful to you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.